Bye. Give me a kiss. Let me kiss. See you in the morning. Okay?
Huh?
See you in the morning. I am a working mother of 3, and so my self-care days usually involve getting away from the kids. So on this day, I booked a hotel stay away, and I'm gonna go shopping, but first I want to make sure I'm hydrated. So I'm looking for a few skincare, body care items to kind of enhance my shower routines. I am really looking for a new face mask and just picking up some of my shower essentials because I plan on pampering myself a bit later on today. So I've just been shopping. Let me get the bag. And I always give myself a lot to do when I have my little getaways because I really just want to make the most of it. Are you guys lopsided? Yeah, I really just want to make the most of it. But I thought what I would do first is do some shopping, and I picked up some hygiene stuff. And also I was comparing prices. If you guys have seen, I went to a few different stores and I realized that I got bumped on a few things. So I might return them, although that's long for me. I like an easy life. I got the Cocoa Radiant Vaseline cream, and I picked this up because I know I like it. I've got the body shimmer oily thing as well that I really like, and it was an offer. It was only £2.99, bargain. Probably should have bought 2. And then I bought this Dove Body Love Silky. All of the Dove products were on sale. I don't know what's going on, but they were all on sale. But I bought this, which I've never tried before, so I'm hoping I'm gonna love it, but we'll see. And then I bought some As I Am coconut co-wash because I know I like this co-wash. I've tried it once before, but the As I Am products here are always super expensive, so I'm a bit, I don't know, it puts me off buying it. You can see the consistency is really nice. This As I Am co-wash was $11.99, but I'm pretty sure it was the buy one get one free or buy one get one half price. So I got the Camille Rose Revitalizing Hair Smoother, which if you guys have watched any of my other self-care videos, you know that I love this shit. I love it. It's amazing. I probably should have bought 2 of that too. So I picked up 2 of these because they were buy one get one free exfoliating body scrubs. I got 2. I also got this Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. I've never heard of it. Sounds very posh. I thought I circled this one a couple of times because I have never seen it before. It is a Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner, and I have low porosity hair, so I really do try to put as much moisture in my hair as I can all of the time, especially on wash days. So today I'm going to do like a little pamper routine. I'm looking forward to it. Although I'm tired, I'm looking forward to it. So that should be a video that's already posted already, and if not, it will be up in a few days. I'm going to include this because I have plans to deep condition my hair. Ooh. But apparently it says that it goes on wet and it dries. Never heard of it before, but it sounds like a dream. And then I got these. These are the 2 things I got robbed with because I went to Superdrugs to pick up all of this stuff, as you can tell by the bag, and they have, and in Boots, which was manic, guys. I tried to get as much footage as I could for you guys, but there are people everywhere. I don't know why. In Boots, it's half price. So I picked these up for $4.99 each, which I don't know why I did that. I think I was just feeling shopping happy because I know that I can pick these up for £2.50. So I could have got them for half price. I'm not sure if I'm going to take them back. I'm probably not, but just a reminder to myself never to buy these body washes from Superdrugs again, and to just go to Boots. Sometimes it's easy to just presume that Superdrugs will be cheaper. They are cheaper for a lot of things if you guys are based in the UK, you'll know that sometimes Boots is pretty expensive, and I don't have a Boots card or anything. If you guys haven't noticed already, my form of self-care is doing nothing. Yeah, that's my form of self-care. I do something for everybody every day, multiple times a day. So I use my self-care days to do absolutely zero nothing. I'm not cooking, I'm not cleaning, I'm not, well, other than myself. I'm not cleaning any surfaces, I'm not hoovering, I'm not doing anything. I have also given myself a deadline. If it gets to, I should make it 10, but I'm gonna make it 11. If it gets to 11 p.m. and I am still buzzing around doing things, I'm gonna sit my ass down. Those are the rules. I'm gonna get in bed. So I made my way back out, and the first thing I wanted to get was a coffee because I was running out of energy a bit. And then next I wanted to pick up a nice bouquet for myself. I really have a thing for flowers, especially unusual ones. So I kept circling this bunch of roses that are in this really pretty pink colour that I actually love. Kind of reminds me of my wedding. So I picked those up, and then next I wanted to pick up a journal. I have run out of space in the one that I have, so I wanted to pick one up that I can write in later. Then I go back to the room and it's time to get ready to go to the gym. Now I didn't plan on going to the gym originally, but I went upstairs and it was empty and there was no one there, and I felt like I had to. I definitely find that running and doing some light cardio really does help to raise my mood. Before I do that, I FaceTime the kids because I couldn't help myself, just to make sure that they were okay for bed. So I ended up going to the gym. I didn't go for very long, just did a quick run and a few strength workouts. I do have a little bit of baby weight that I'm still trying to get rid of, so I thought I'd spend a bit of time in the gym before going downstairs and completing my shower routine. I did also pick up some food whilst I was out. So I love roti, guys, and I couldn't help but pick some up. So I picked up some roti and some rice and peas and some curry goat, and I ate that, and then I jumped into the shower and I decided that I would do an everything shower routine. If you are interested in more details about this routine, you can check that out in my everything full shower routine that I will link above and in the description for you guys. So I washed my hair and I did a facial, and I found this face steamer that is actually a 3-in-1. So it's a face steamer, a diffuser and a towel warmer that I use to spend a bit of time pampering myself, doing my hair, doing a deep condition, moisturizing, doing all that stuff. I usually do this kind of routine when I'm staying away, just to spend a bit of time with myself. It definitely helps me to feel a bit better and helps me to feel relaxed. And then before I went to bed, I wanted to brain dump. I really am trying to be a bit more mindful, and sometimes I get in my head and there's loads of things going on in my head, and I find it really helps if I can write those things down, even if it's just a list, so that I'm not repeating the list over and over in my head all of the time. So I definitely have a few priorities that I wanted to list down, especially with being back at work now. I also want to try and find a cleaner and things like that to kind of help me around the house. My form of self-care at the moment, at this stage of my life, is definitely getting help. So I kind of outlined a plan for doing that, and then I got into bed and I used a bed spray. It's a lavender scent. I love lavender, guys. So I got a lavender scent, and it really does help me get into a bit deeper of sleep and kind of clear my mind and not think about the kids and stuff. It is always worth spending a bit of time with yourself.